Welcome to Watchat, where we chat about watches and other facts of life. There is the Black Bay and there is the Black Bay. So how do you think the 2021 CPHG Petite Aiguille winner fare against the 2020 CPHG Challenge winner? Let's find out. Tudor really did it again by rolling another winner in their Black Bay line. This year is the Black Bay ceramic. Let's check out its rudimentary details. The M79210CNU-001 is measured at 41mm in diameter, 14.1mm in height, and 49.6mm lug to lug. It is powered by the self-winding mechanical MT5602-1U in-house caliber that is COSC and metal certified. It can withstand magnetism of up to 15,000 Gauss, 200 meters of water resistance, and has a 70 hours of power reserve. The Black Bay ceramic, as the name suggests, has its case made out of black ceramic with micro-blasted finish and a monoblock middle case. The bevels from the top of the lugs curving together with the case has some polished finishing which helps to give some dimension and shine on this really rugged but yet simple looking timepiece. Unlike the Tudor Smurf here that has a pointier end on the lugs when one looks at it on its side, the Tudor Guinness here, reference to the Irish stout, has a blunted tip. I think the nickname Guinness suits this watch considering the contrasting cream and black here and because it has that dome-shaped sapphire crystal. What do you think? Are there any nicknames suitable for this watch? Do share it in the comments below. And I digress. The lug width here is measured close to 22mm. The strap here is a hybrid leather and rubber. The top feels like a leather whereas the side and bottom it's all rubber. The back of the strap has this snowflake hour hands design which helps with the breathability when wearing it. What's really cool is that Tudor managed to have the cream stitching on the front but black stitching on the back of the strap. The strap has 7 holes for its adjustment. The 2 holders here are a little disappointing. They are made out of leather with a cream cross stitching. I find them to be a little too thin and it feels a little fragile. If you've noticed, the size of these holders are also not consistent, with the right being a little wider. The clasp here is made out of stainless steel in black PVD treated 316L steel. It also has the Tudor crown design and a safety catch. With this watch, Tudor is also giving out a second strap that is made out of black fabric with a cream band running down the center. This strap also has 7 holes for its adjustment wearability. The stainless steel buckle and holders are also black PVD treated. The thing with fabric strap is that it will make the wearing of this watch to feel a little taller as the strap will run across the watch, adding an additional layer at the bottom that will cover the case back. Speaking of case back, the sapphire crystal here showcases Tudor's superb finishing on its movement that has satin brush and sandblaster details with laser decorations on them. What's cool about it is that they are all in black as well. Well, except for this part. And this part. The Tudor rose is engraved on the crown, which is also in matte black. Staying true to the lineage, there are no crown guards on this watch. Because of the small gap between the case and the crown, as well as the larger crown size here, it is a lot easier to grip it compared to my Black Bay 58 Blue here. The crown is, of course, a screw-down crown. When you unscrew the crown, you will see the connecting pin and screw case to be in steel color. It will be amazing to see even that part to be in black. The unidirectional bezel here is also black ceramic with a sunray satin finish, which gives a slight contrast to the overall matte black finishing of the case. The numbers and indicators here are in dark grey, which kinda down it down a little on the readability of the bezel. There is no lume pit on the reverse triangle here unlike there in the blue. Hence, I don't think this can be considered a functional dive watch. The bezel has a 60-click rotation, with each click sounding really sharp and loud, sharper and louder than the blue. Underneath the sapphire crystal is where things get a little bit more interesting. The rehold on the blue is stainless steel, however, for the ceramic model, Tudor made it black, staying consistent to the entire theme of the watch. This has a dome dial that is also matte black. The minute tracks, logo and wordings are all in dark grey. For a larger watch, you would expect the printing of the logo and the name to be larger. However, surprisingly, it is smaller than the Black Bay 58 Blue. Instead of printing the 200 meter of water resistance on the dial, Tudor decided for the very first time to have the words Black Bay and Master Chronometer printed on it. Unlike popular belief, the applied indices and hands are not in black, nor are their frames. I find the round indices on the black to be smaller as compared to the ones in the Black Bay 58 Blue, even though it is a bigger watch. The legibility on the black, especially if you were to talk about the words on the dial and the bezel, is definitely poor. However, does that really matter? The off-white or cream hands and indices contrasting with the black dial definitely makes reading the time easy. Being a larger watch, and even though it's on ceramic, it does have some weight to it. Thankfully, it's not on a bracelet, hence, on this rubber strap, the wearing experience feels really good. So, what do I think of this watch? I know ceramic watches are scratch resistant, however, stainless steel aren't. The huge stainless steel shield buckle and clasps on the leather strap and the stainless steel buckle and holder on the fabric strap are positioned to almost guarantee you getting scratches on them whenever you work on your laptop or simply placing your hand on the table. Because it is black, scratches on it will be pretty visible. Other than that, I think this watch is really cool. I can imagine Wolverine wearing this watch with his leather jacket on his bike. So what do you think of this watch? Do you think it deserved the CPHG award? Let us know in the comments below. Anyway, if you like this kind of video, please like, share, subscribe and hit that notification icon to support me, and I'll really appreciate it and promise to make more videos like this. Until the next one, thank you for watching.